last day. I have to return the scooter in Palma. I'm leaving right now. I am in Palma de Mallorca, the capital of Ireland. I want to go for breakfast first, then check out the city. This is the more alternative district of the city. Loads of bars, cafes, plenty of cool places here. Sit outside and have some nice smoothie or some vegan dish hopefully and some good coffee. Santa Catalina de Palma de Mallorca. Yeah, the town center is packed with people. It is a beautiful town. I mean, look at this cafe. This must be the prettiest place ever. It's not the place, it's the trees around the place. The coffee sure must be good at this place. Cheers. I mean, it's hard to f that up. A town with a vegetation like that, hard to make it ugly, to be honest. And these buildings definitely help as well. But what do you do when you live here, man? What do you do? Other than being rich and going shopping. There doesn't seem to be a lot of subculture. Generally, not a lot of culture going on. A couple of cool bars, semi-cool. And not even one cool nightclub, so not loads of street music, probably not even legal. Yeah, just hanging at a plaza, drinking coffee and snacking away on delicious food, which is not easy if you're vegan. The sun rays finding their ways to these narrow walkways alone. Yeah, it's amazing. I love it. Shit ain't affordable. Expensive and really tasteless. No culture. Mephistopheles. That's pretty cool. Dig it. Oh, that one. Look at that. Some street art and the Spanish flag. Oh, this is like what movies are made of, no? Look at that. Old romantic movies. And there they are. The youth of the island hanging out. Look at that, man. Crazy architecture. It's probably Palma's most popular tree, an olive tree. Just so cool that you can sit outside surrounded by this beauty all night for the majority of the year. This guy's excited. I've been to this place 2 years ago and I was looking for it everywhere. Just as I'm about to leave, I just stumbled upon it. I bought this shirt last time. Anyway. So ugly stuff on such pretty canvas. See you all on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.